Okay, so as I said, we are doing adverbs today, which is a nyamaka, something that will help you mix words together or put words together. That's called nyamaka ngwoku, which is adverbs. So number one is going to be something like again, ozo, ozo. So again means ozo. To punctuate it. Ozo supposed to have ozo. All right, so ozo means again. Let me maximize it. Everything is so small. Where are my words this morning? Nothing is showing up. Okay. All right. So when you say again, means ozo. If I ask you a question, I say, okay, ngwa, Ifeoma, gịnị ka m kwuru? Then you say it and I say, ngwa, kwuo ya ọzọ. Kwuo ya ọzọ means say it again. Okay, ọzọ means again. Okay, that's one of the adverbs. Ọzọ means again. Now, let's make a sentence with ọzọ. Onye ọzọ means another person. Okay, can you say it again? Can you say it again? Okay, means ị nwere ike ikwu ya ọzọ, or you can say ị ga-ekwu ya ọzọ. Ị ga-ekwu ya ọzọ, or you can say ị nwere ike ikwu ya ọzọ. All right, let me get this one back. Ị nwere ike ikwu ya ọzọ means say it again. No, I didn't keep doing this. All right. Ị nwere ike ikwu ya ọzọ, or say it again. That's how you say it. All right. I need to get this in out of the way. It's not getting out of the way. Okay. So, can you say it again? Means ị nwere ike ikwu ya ọzọ. Nwere ike ikwu ya ọzọ. Ị nwere ike ikwu ya ọzọ, or I can say kwuo ya ọzọ, which is like say it again. Means kwuo ya ọzọ. Kwuo ya ọzọ. Okay, so now another word will be badly. Okay, badly. Just 1 second. Badly is something ọjọọ, something that is very bad. It's badly. Okay. Okay, so this is very, very bad. It is so, so badly. And I need somebody to give me an example. Short sentence with badly, which is ọjọọ. Somebody, I need you to make a sentence with badly. Hello? I need someone. I don't want to name your name. I don't want to call names, but I need a volunteer to make a sentence.
Wait, with the English word or?
Yeah, make a short sentence with badly. Then we say it in Igbo.
My eyes bad.
My eyes hurt badly. Huh? My eyes hurt badly. Anya na-afụ m ụfụ nke ọjọọ. Anya is anya m. My eyes. Anya m na-afụ m ụfụ nke ọjọọ. Some people will say anya m na-afụ m ụfụ nke nnukwu. So badly. Okay, so badly, we're going to use badly to make a sentence. Badly is ọjọọ. I have to punctuate it. Okay. Ọjọọ. Ọjọọ means bad. Okay, my eyes hurt so badly. Another person with another example. Anybody who will give us example?
My leg hurts badly.
My leg is what?
It's hurting badly.
I think I chezọrọ that before gị kwuo okwu na class gị ga-eme onwe gị introduce. Ị ga-akọwa onwe gị. Before you say something, say your name. That way I will know who is talking. So who said that? I need you to introduce yourself.
Ifama, my leg hurts badly.
Ifama, introduce yourself the right way in this class, okay? Ifeoma kọwaa onwe gị ọfụma.
Ọ Ifeoma na-ekwu.
Ifeoma.
My leg hurts badly.
Okay, kwuo ya n'Igbo. And ka onye ọbụla nụ ihe ị na-ekwu, ị ga-ekwusi ya ike. Can you say it in Igbo?
Hold on, I'm trying to. Ụkwụ m na-afụ m ụfụ.
Remember the key word we are using.
Nke ọjọọ.
Nke ọjọọ. Ụkwụ na-afụ m ụfụ nke ọjọọ. My leg hurts so badly. Okay. Another word we are going to use is today. Somebody use today to make a sentence. Okay. Nke is supposed to be ọjọọ, not ọjọọ. My leg hurts so badly. Somebody use today to make a sentence for us. Jiri tata. Today means ta. Jiri ya kwuoro anyị okwu. It means use it to make a sentence. Can somebody help us here? We need to interact in this class. I won't be the only one talking. Today means ta or tata. Okay. Today means ta or tata. Somebody make a sentence with that. Blessing. Jiri today. Use today. Make a short sentence in English.
I'm leaving today.
I am leaving today. Okay, try to say it in Igbo. I will punctuate these sentences as we go. I just want you to make some sentences. Okay. He said I am what? Leaving today?
Yeah.
Okay, so I am leaving today. Okay, tell us what you said. I am, so start it. Just try.
Na apu ta.
You see, you tried. There you go. But Blessing, remember to do the introduction. How do you do your introduction? Yeah, do your introduction the right way. You're supposed to know it. And that's why I want everybody to keep saying that whenever you're saying something.
Can you tell me what it is?
Afambo Ezine, I need the Igbo name.
Afambu Ezine.
Good. So before ever you answer a question or ask a question, you have to introduce yourself. That's good. Thank you. I am leaving today. So what basically you said apple ka. That is great. See? Okay. Na apple ta. Or you can say tata. It is the sentence. Okay, another person used today for a short sentence. Another person, short sentence, please. Onye ọzọ jiri taa, which is today, kwuo okwu. Who is the tell? Who is the tell? Hello? Who is the tell? You're not. Who is that? You're not supposed to be in this class. Hello? I need to know who is the tell. This is not. You didn't register for this class. Who is the tell? I need you to talk to me. Hello? Okay, I think I'm taking you out since you are not talking. All right. All right, I took the person out. The other person didn't register for this class. Okay. All right, I am leaving today. Apple, ta. Onye ọzọ use today. We need to talk. We need to talk. Okay, so let's move. We do only. Only. Okay. I'm doing this only for you. But I need you guys to talk back to me. You have to interact with me. Only means nane. Only means nane. Only. Nane here. Or sister in here. Nane here. And you can also be saucer. Let me see who is in the waiting room. Saucer. 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 Okay. I need to know who is the tell. If you don't tell me who you are, I need to put you out of the class. So tell me who you are. Who is the tell? The tell. Who is the tell? Okay. Can you talk? You don't talk. I'm putting you out of the class because you didn't register for this class. Okay, that's it. All right, so only means nane or so. And I will punctuate the S-O-S-O, which is say or and say or. So only means so. Only you and I are going today. Only you and I are coming today. So somebody give me an example. I just gave you one. Only you, who is divine? Who is divine? Or Davin? Who is Davin? Who is Davin? Davin? Davin?
Yes.
Did you register for this class? Did you register for this class?
Huh?
Did you register for this class?
I'm gonna.
Huh? What is your Igbo name?
Chinedu.
Chinedu who? What is your last name?
Ohio.
Chinedu Ohaya. Your class begins at 12, not now, okay?
Okay.
You need to call in 12 Eastern time, okay?
Okay.
All right, so I see you at 12, all right? 12 Eastern time. What state are you in? What is your parent there? Any of your parents there? Is your mom or dad there?
No, I mean, my mom's sleeping still.
Okay, so call in at 12, okay? This is an intermediate class, okay?
Okay.
All right, see you at 12.
Okay.
All right, okay, sorry guys. Some people, they got confused with the time, the beginner class and the intermediate class time. Okay, so we're doing so, which is only. Only you and Ozoma. Only you, oh boy, and the Ozoma will eat. Okay, so it means, can somebody tell me what I said? Only you and the Ozoma will eat. Can some, if I kwuru there? Only you and Uzoma will eat.
You want me to say it in Igbo?
Yeah, in Igbo, yeah. I want you to introduce yourself before you say something.
Ọ Ifeoma na-ekwu. Also, gị na Uzoma ga-eri nri.
Good. Also, you know, you can say so. Gina Ozoma. You're right, though. You can put it that way. Or, which is the capital, also. So. Ge. Or you can also say, oh, nane ge, na. Ozoma. Ga. Eri. Nri. Okay, so that's how you say it. Good job. Okay, somebody else, I want you to use only to make a sentence. Okay, it's Amala here. Amala, you on the line?
Yes.
Okay. Jiri only merai kura yoku. You can say it in English, then you can translate it to Igbo.
There is only one person here.
There is only one person here. Okay, Amala gwa anyị ihe I kwuru n'Igbo.
Sọsọ ofu onye nọ ebe a.
Yay! Amala imekwa onwe gị, ịkọwago onwe gị before gị ekwudo. We need to be doing it so that others will learn. That's the purpose of like every time we're saying something, we have to introduce ourselves. So Amala, I need you to say it because there are some people who are still learning. Okay?
Ọ Amala na-ekwu.
Okay, Dalo. Okay, there is only one person here. Good. Okay, so ka ekiri si kwuo ya n'Igbo ọzọ, Amala, gwa anyị ihe I kwuru ọzọ n'Igbo.
Sọsọ ofu onye nọ ebe a.
Okay, so. Or you can also say nane. I want you to know you can interchange the words, okay? They are the same. So. Or nane ofu onye no eba. So. Or nane ofu onye no eba. I will put the punctuations and then send it to you. Okay, there is only one person here. So. Maọbụ naanị ofu onye na ebe a. Okay, another word we are going to use is tomorrow. Tomorrow. Who will use tomorrow to make a sentence for us? We have to talk. We have to learn. Tomorrow means echi. Tomorrow is echi. Somebody use tomorrow to make a sentence.
Ọ Ifeoma na-ekwu. I'll go to the store tomorrow.
I will. Go to sports tomorrow.
The store.
Oh, I will go to the store. I will go to store, or what did you say again?
I will go to the store tomorrow.
Okay, I thought you said sports before. All right. Sports is egwuregwu. In case if you want to know what it is. Sports is ihe egwuregwu. Egwuregwu. So that's what sports is, okay? Okay, I will go to the store tomorrow. Ngwa gwa anyị etu esi ekwu ya n'Igbo. Gwa anyị etu esi ekwu ya n'Igbo.
Aga m aga ahịa echi.
Aga m aga ahịa echi. Okay, when you say store, store is ebe a na-ere ahịa, but if you want to say ahịa, if you want to say ahịa, ahịa means
grocery store. Go the grocery store.
Yeah, okay, I will go to the grocery store, which is I will go to market. So that's how to say it. All right, good. Ezinne ebera nnukute nnukute. Gịnị ka a na-akpọ late? Abịaghị n'oge. Okay. Ị bịaghị n'oge, Ezinne. Gịnị mere Ezinne?
Atetara n'oge.
Okay, okay, now you see, you tried, Ezinne. Don't forget to introduce yourself when you're saying something. But you're supposed to say, etetagem, not etetaram. So you said etetaram noge. That was what you said, isn't it?
Yes, Auntie.
Yeah, so it means I woke up early. Or was it what you wanted to say?
I wanted to say I didn't wake up early. I woke up late.
Okay, so etetagem, I will write it though. I will write it. Okay, so ị ga na-etinye n'ihe ga-enyere gị aka kpọlite gị. Okay, so Ezinne gịnị ka m kwuru? Ị ga-etinye ihe ga-enye aka kpọlite gị n'ụtụtụ. Gịnị ka m kwuru?
I need help.
No, itinye ihe means like put alarm to wake you up.
Oh,
something that will wake you up. You see that? Yeah,
yes,
please.
Auntie.
So try to do that next time. I know you're always punctual. Kedu ebe Oluchi na Nelo nọ?
They're also they're trying to go get their phones too.
Class is gonna be over by the time they come. You know that? You guys need to take this serious, please. Okay. Agam aga ahia echi. Okay, we're making a sentence. We're doing adverb, trying to use it to make a sentence. Agam aga ahia echi. Okay. Onwere onye ọzọ ga-eji ya wee kwuo okwu. And let me say this, I want you to use these words. If you practice every word that we use every day, trust me, you should be able to be speaking Igbo. If you can practice how to use these words to make sentences, you should be okay. But the point is that I don't know if you do practice them or not. So jiri ya na-ekwu okwu, ijiri ya na-ekwu okwu, onwegi ihe mere na ị ga-ama etu esi asụ Igbo, ma ị ga-eji ike sụọra mmadụ Igbo. So try to practice these words, okay? It's going to help you. Now let me give you a room to ask questions. We're going to be doing this class, make it up to 1 hour. 45 minutes is too short, so we have to make it 1 hour for you to get enough information. It's just that I just try to stay away from loading so much on you guys. That's why I limited it to 45. So, but some of you are coming too late. All right, so anyway, onwere onye nwere ajụjụ? Achọrọ m ka unu jụọ ajụjụ. I don't want to keep going. I need somebody to ask me a question. Onwere onye nwere ajụjụ? Okay, another word, here. Here is ebe a. Somebody, Ezinne jiri here nye anyị okwu. Whoa, achọrọ m ide ihe i kwuru before. Ebe a. Okay, Ezinne si etetaghị m n'oge. I didn't wake up on time. Okay. I didn't wake up. I didn't wake up on time. Okay. Etetagem na oge. Etetagem. So GHI is the negative way. Etetagem na oge. Etetagem na oge. Oge means on time. Etetagem na oge. Like when you say oge, it means God's time. Ogechi means God's time is the best. So when you put this in together, everything goes together. Okay, so it's like oge means time. Etetagem na oge. Okay, so I just wanted to highlight on what Ezinne said. Ezinne ngwa jiri here, which is eba. You can say it in English first and then translate it to Igbo.
Oche gị dị ebe a.
Oche gị dị ebe a. Oche. Okay, say it in English. What did you say?
The chair is here.
Okay.
Or your chair is here.
Yeah, you're right. Good job. But Odinne, you forgot to introduce yourself. Ezinne, kọwaa onwe gị. How do we do our introduction before we say something?
Ezinne na-ekwu.
Good. You can say oche gị dị or oche gị nọ. So that the sentence. Oche gị dị or nọ ebe a. Good job. Onwe onye ọzọ chọrọ iji ekwu okwu? O nwere onye nwere ajụjụ? We have to stop it here today. O nwere onye nwere ajụjụ? Achọ nke unu jụọ m ajụjụ, jụọnụ m ajụjụ, unu ga-ajụ m ajụọ m unu. Onwe onye nwere ihe ọ chọrọ ịjụ?
Ezinne na-ekwu.
Ngwa Ezinne, go ahead.
How would we say almost?
Almost, nearly, okay. Oh, for obere, okay. So let me get it. Almost here. Almost. Ntakịrị oge, okay. Ntakịrị. Ntakịrị ihe or ntakịrị oge. Ọ fọrọ ntakịrị. Almost. Ọ fọrọ ntakịrị. I almost trip. Ọ fọrọ ntakịrị ma daa. You see, ọ fọrọ ntakịrị daa. So I look at it, so Ezinne, you almost trip. It's like you almost fall, okay? Ọ fọrọ ntakịrị ihe Ezinne daa. Ịdaada. Ịdaada means you fall. Ọ fọrọ ntakịrị. See, ọ fọrọ ntakịrị ihe. You almost. Okay. Ọ fọrọ ntakịrị ihe. Ịkụwa ite. You almost break that pot. So that's what it is. Almost. Ọ fọrọ ntakịrị ihe. All right. That's good job. Ntakịrị ihe. Ọ fọrọ ntakịrị oge.